Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given a fraction and we have to convert it into its percentage form and decimal form. So in order to convert a fraction into its percentage form, what we have to do is we have to simply multiply the fraction by 100, and that's how we will obtain the percentage. So converting fraction to percentage, we have to just multiply the fraction. We have to just multiply the fraction by 100 and then evaluate it. So the fraction given to us was 5 upon 10, and in order to convert it into a percentage we have to multiply it by 100. Now 10 and will cancel out 100 and will produce 10, and 5 multiplied by 10 is 50, so we will get 50 percentage. And then now in the next step we are converting the fraction into the decimal form. So convert to decimal. So 5 upon 10 can be simply written as 0.5. So this will be our required final answers. Thank you and have a great day.